Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another episode of Tap Lab, and today we're gonna get some more free crypto. So if you've been following my videos over the past month or so, I've given some simple steps to get started in crypto for free. One of them is downloading the Tron Link wallet, which is a browser wallet right here. And then once you have that, I recommend getting a little bit of TRX in there, which is the Tron token. Tron, TRX, same thing. And then you can start to get these free airdrops. Basically, these crypto projects will airdrop their token to the masses to make it more decentralized. So, they don't have all of the token just selling it to people. They sort of disperse it out to a bunch of people, and that makes it more stable, more decentralized. So this is a new airdrop. It'll be open for a couple of weeks. This is for FRAG Token. You can click the link down in the description and come to this page. So this is the third airdrop for the FRAG token, and you will get 600 free frags. Let's go to coinmarketcap.com. One frag is about worth 1 TRX right now. So they're about 1-to-1 with TRX. So 50 cents. So that's pretty solid. That's a good start. Better than nothing. Easy money. So all you need to do is come to the form. The first thing you'll do is paste your TRX address. So when you create a TRX wallet, it's going to give you an address. And if you use Tron Link like I did, there's also mobile apps and things like that you can use. But your address will be right here. It'll be this string of letters and numbers that usually starts with a T. You can just click copy. You're going to paste that in. You don't need to do this one. You can type in your email address, and then you can type in your Twitter username, Telegram username, or Discord username, and follow the little step below these. You only have to do one of the three. So I did Twitter, so that's the easiest. So just type in your Twitter name. And then you're going to go to this tweet here. These are pretty easy steps. And then you just like the tweet and follow FRAG Token. And that's basically just a verification step so that tons of bots can't get in this. So we've got wallet address, email address, social media account, and then there's a prediction box. You don't have to do that. And then you just need to type in an animal name. So like dog, cat, mouse, whatever your favorite animal is, and then click submit form. And then in about 2 weeks, the applications will be reviewed and you'll be sent your tokens right here into your TRX wallet. And that's really all you need to do to get this free crypto. FRAG Token is a cool project. It's a deflationary token. So basically whenever there's a transaction, a buy, a sell, or a send to a different wallet, the token is burning. So we can see here remaining frags, 9,456,000. So it started with 10 million frags, and then these just keep burning as people transact them. And the idea is that once the supply continues to go down, the token in theory becomes more valuable because it's more scarce, it's more rare, there's less of them out there. So that's the big idea with FRAG and these other deflationary tokens. They have lots of dApps, lots of games that you can play with your FRAG. So these are kind of like casino games, FRAG dice, raffles, coin flip. There's also this FRAG box, which is the one that I do actually. So I basically put my frags in the box, and then basically when you buy into the box, you lose 10%. When you sell, you lose 10%. So whenever someone else does that, that 10% is distributed to the pool. And they also take some profits from the casino style games and drop them into the frag box as well, so you can get dividends that way. So basically I have about 1,300 frag here just sitting in the box, and I'll continue to get these dividends. And I'll probably tripled my amount of frag here just putting them in the frag box. So there you have it. Overview of FRAG Token, the airdrop, some of the dApps that they have. They're also coming out with a new dApp soon called FRAGOO, so that should be interesting. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I hope you're getting in on these airdrops. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, drop a like on this video, all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, go hard, go hard. You might win. Don't blame your problems on the past, 'cause that'll make you come and last. So go hard.